Okay, hi guys, this is Saurabh from blogsess.com, and today we are going to do the unboxing of Arya Z3 from Salora India. It is a new flagship by Salora after their predecessor Z2. Let me show you the box packing of this handset. It's pretty much a compact box packing, and here are some features of Z3 which is already mentioned. I'm going to do the unboxing and we will then come up with the insights of all the features of this smartphone. First of all, I'm going to open it. You can see the main handset over here. Then in inside the block you will find the warranty card, then the user manual along with the screen protector, and then the normal charger, the USB cable, and the earphones. Look like the earphones are not that much in good quality, but it's a very basic headset by Salora. If you want some good headset, you can upgrade. These are the things you will find out inside the box of this Arya Z3. Okay, so now come to the main part of the review. We will going to start the Z3 Arya. Okay, this is a boot screen. Okay, you can see that the pixels and the display is pretty much clear and sharp. Okay, let's put it very fastly. Okay, good. Okay, so now come to the configuration part and all. First of all, we have to show you the body of the smartphone Z3. This Arya Z3 is having a very good matte finishing body backside, and even the curvy faces over here. It's having one power button and the volume controllers, and it also having a 3 touch buttons at the bottom side, along with the USB charger and one headphone jack 3.5 mm. It also have a one LED flash. So first of all, we will go with the specification of this handset, what exactly this handset reside, right? So okay, it's already mentioned in this Z3 Arya. It's having a 12.7 centimeters, that is a 5.0 IPS OGS display. It's also having the Octa core processor, 1.4 gigahertz processor, which is a pretty much faster, you can say, at this price range. It also having a pre-installed Android KitKat 4.2. This phone is having a one good battery backup, so you can say it's having a 2200 mAh battery, which is quite reliable for the one-day uses. This smartphone is having a dual SIMs for the one single SIM as a 2G and another is 3G. It's containing the 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of RAM, and you can expand this the memory up to the 32 GB. It support the HD record and playback. That is a good features, and it's having a front camera is a 2 megapixel, whereas the rear camera is a 8 megapixel with flash. Right now I'm going to remove the back side of this phone. Okay, let me check it. Okay, here it is. Yeah, it's pretty much simple to remove the backside, because we saw that for the many handset it's very hard to remove the back panel if you want to insert the phones and all. Okay, now you can see the matte finishing, which looks very awesome with the Arya logo and the Salora logo. Okay, so now you will see that there is the three slots are over here. One is for the SD card. You can insert the SD card if you want for to expand the memory size, along with one micro SIM card and one normal SIM. This is a micro SIM card slot, where this one is a normal. It is a good thing that few people still using their old phones and all. They are having old SIM cards, so they can utilize this slot without tampering their current SIM card. And this is a micro SIM card, so they can choose their alternate phone number and they can insert that SIM over here. And you can see this is a 2200 mAh battery, which is pretty much good for this handset. Just let me cover up this back panel. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So first of all, I have to show you what exactly the hardware is residing in this phone. So as I mentioned, this phone is running Android 4.4.2. You can just check it out. This is a KitKat version, Android KitKat 4.4.2, which is pre-installed. And Salora already told for the update of Lollipop, they will roll out the Lollipop update very soon on Z3 Arya also. This phone is having a, you can see the dual bands, the GSM connection. Okay, other than that, there is a Wi-Fi connectivity, and the cast screen option is also there. Cast screen is basically used to push data to the bigger screen. If you are having a LED TV, LCD TV, you can directly podcast the live screen of Arya Z3 to your main monitor or the TV. Okay, so you can see as it's having a very crystal clear 5-inch 1280 into 720 pixel resolution display. So screen is look pretty sharp and smooth, and as it's having a 8 octa core processor, there means the 8 cores of CPU is running. There is a no lagging between the navigation. It's having a proximity sensors and all. You can just check it out. It supports gesture also. See, I'm not touching the phone, and its navigation is happening. It is a gesturing. You will check it out. Okay, this is gesture support is also there, and it's working perfectly. Now I have to show you the rating of a radiation ratings for this phone. It is one of the key part. You will see this is a star rating. It's having 0.401 and 0.891, means it's in the range of the star rating, so there is no issue with respect to the radiations and all. So this phone is safe for you. Other than that, this phone support as it is having a octa-core processor. It supports a huge multitasking environment. You can play any high-end game, and I check with multi-touch option. Now I will show you how multi-touch is working. Now I can touch with my 5 fingers to this phone. You will see the reset 1 2 3 4, and here is 5. You will see that is the 5 things are coming up. This is shows the multiple touch option. Okay, now I am going to show you the internet and browsing speed of this. Okay, I'm already connected. Now I'm going to navigate to my site itself. You will see it's loading perfectly, very fast. It's pretty much crystal and clear display is there. You can say even while browsing, it's having their own inbuilt browser. So if I do the zoom in, there will not be any issue with respect to the text is appearing very perfectly. There is no distortion in text while you do the zoom in, which is another good thing about this handset, because many time if you are making a zoom in, pinch zooming, that time the text will not appear perfectly. This is another advantage of this handset. And along with that, I'm going to show you video of this. I will go to the YouTube, the streaming and all, how it is happening. It's more important if you are having a smartphone, you will prefer to use a video online. Okay, so I'm going to show. Now I'm going to show you one trailer of Badlapur movie. Okay. Wi-Fi is also good. Now picture, you can see the clarity of pictures and all. This looks good. Okay. Now you can see the clarity and all is awesome. Even the streaming is happening very perfect. Okay, so now we are going to check with the camera of this phone, Arya Z3. It's having a rear camera of 8 megapixel. I will show you. It's having a pretty crystal clear camera. You can see it's support a very good autofocusing and all. It looks cool, means the camera quality is seriously awesome. It's also having a HDR display mode. You can check it out. HDR display is also supported, and I am going to check it. 1, 2, 3. Exactly, you can see the clarity of the HDR mode. It seems to be this device is having very good camera. Quality is awesome and it's working perfectly. There are many options you can see inside that. You can make a GPS information on while you capture the image and all. There are basic things which is already, it is a part of the Android operating system. You can check. Even its video quality is also there. You can record the HD picturization from this camera, from the rear camera, for up to the 1080p pixel, which is pretty much good. See, the main reason behind this the operation, it's because it's having a octa-core processor which help this device to process video perfectly. Now I'm going to check with the front camera. You can see right now I'm having a back camera, the rear camera. You can see still it's focusing perfectly, though I'm not making any point over here. You just point it out here, it will go so, right? So right now I'm going to check with different camera. Here it is. So you can see, yeah, one of my friend is actually recording, and you will see the clarity white. You can check it out. Okay, its front camera is also awesome. I recommended that this camera is very good if you are taking selfies, and especially you want a quick video recording and faster operations. So you can see the navigation part is also cool. We already went through this. Now we are going to with the benchmark testing. Benchmark testing is a thing which will, it is an application which will help you to check each and every functionality of this device. So I already completed the test, and the Salora Arya is giving a benchmark test from the N222 benchmark 28506, which is pretty good with respect to the all. Here is a comparison. This is our Salora Arya Z3, which is more powerful than the other handset. You will see that in the range of this family you will find LG G3, Google Nexus 5, Xiaomi Mi 3. So as per the price tag, this phone is really awesome. You can check it. This phone is right now available on Amazon for the 6999 Indian rupees. So it's good phone if you are looking for the budget phone with good configuration. And even if you are the gamer, if you love to play games, then this phone is one of the best phone for you. Yes, right now I'm going to show you a simple gaming performance of this handset. Okay, oh shit, just wait, I just cancel it. Okay. Now you can see the clarity. Okay, so I'm not used to with this gaming. Okay, so just I want to show you how the game is performing in this handset. Okay, so I'm just moving. There are multiple applications running inside. Okay, so as I mentioned you, this handset is available at Amazon site itself. You can use the application. The Amazon app is already there. You can check Salora Arya Z3. You can order it from here. You can check. It's a black model, which we already review it from your end. And you can do the pre-order also. It's in the stock right now. And this, I recommended this phone to the people who actually looking for the cheap Android handset with major functionality, who used to do the browsing, video streaming, and game playing experience. So it's pretty much good. You can use this handset support Wi-Fi direct sharing also. You can use the application like Superbeam to share the data very fastly instead of using your Bluetooth device or some NFC and all, right? So though this device is not supporting the NFC, the Wi-Fi direct help you to transfer the data immediately between the peer devices. And you can see the battery is pretty much good. As we are doing this review from the last 10 minutes, it's still 33. So looks like it's useful for the people who actually looking for the 1-day battery life, right? And it's having a few modes. I will show you the power saving management feature. It will show the power saving mode is there, the low power mode is there, and screen saving mode is there. In screen saving mode, it's something a different option by the Salora. Here if I click it over here, you will see it will be a black and white handset for you, so it will save a lot of energy, right? So it makes sense. If you are running with a very low battery, then just turn on this feature, turn on these features, and it will help you. So I think this is a pretty much good handset for you. If you want to buy this handset, you can just log on to the amazon.com and amazon.in, and you will directly search for the Salora Z3 Arya. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll come up with more videos and more smartphones for you. Thank you.